Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is a 3-step important video wherein we are going to show you in first step how to join the class, and in second step we will be showing how to check homeworks in classwork, and in third step we are going to show you how to send homework back to your teacher so that your teacher can correct the homework and sends you back. Let's begin this video. Before I begin with this video, I would like to request all the parents and all the students to watch this video very carefully till end. Let's begin with the first step, how to join the class. To join the class, we have to open the app. Here I have opened Google Classroom app. Once I open Google Classroom app, I am able to see a plus sign here on the right hand side. On the right hand side beside Google Classroom, you are able to see plus sign. This plus sign is very important to join class. To join class, we need to click on this plus sign. Let's click plus sign and see practically. I am clicking plus sign. Once you click plus sign, you are able to see two more options, that is join class and create class. Don't concentrate on create class. Create class is not related for joining class. We have to concentrate on join class. We have to click on join class and we have to go inside. Let's click on join class. I am clicking on join class. Once I click on join class, I am able to see a class code written here. This class code you will be getting from your school. Once you get a class code from your school, you need to type class code here. Let's type a class code here and see how to join class. Class code what I got from my school is M6EN4KC. This is my class code. I will highlight this class code and I will show you. This is my class code what I got from my school. Now after I type my class code, my next step is towards joining the class. Here you are able to see join class written here in blue box. Again on the right hand side, you have to click on join class. Once you click join class, you will be a student of this particular class. Let us click on the join class. I am clicking on the join class. Once I click join class, within few seconds I will be the student of my class. Yes, here my class came. I am a student of class 6th now because I have typed the code of class 6th. So this is my class 6th created by my teacher and I am a student of this class 6th. Now I will be showing you 3 different options which are present in your classroom. First option is stream, second option is classwork, and the third option is people. First option is stream, second option is classwork, and third option is people. You as a student need to concentrate on second option, that is a classwork. Students should concentrate on second option, that is classwork. First step I have completed, how to join the class. Now I am moving to the second step, how to check homeworks in classwork. So this is my stream of my class. This is a stream of my class where teachers and students have posted their homeworks. Now I will be showing you the second step, how to send homeworks, how to check homeworks in classwork. Let us concentrate in the second part, second option in the classroom, that is classwork. We have to click in the classwork and we have to check what are the homeworks we received from our teacher. Let us click on the classwork. I click here on the classwork. Once I click, I got my homeworks here. This is a homework of 23rd, 22nd, 21st, 20th, 18th. Likewise, I am having different homeworks. If I scroll down, I am able to see different homeworks in classwork. If you want to check the homework of 23rd July, you have to click on 23rd July. This is the homework of 23rd July. Go back, 22nd July, 21st July, 28th July. So these are the different homeworks what we got from our teachers. So this is the way to check our homeworks in classwork. I will show you again. Go back, open your class, concentrate on the second option, that is classwork, which is present in the center. This is your classwork. You as a student need to click on classwork. Once you open your classwork, you are able to see your homeworks with different dates. So I have completed my second step also, how to check homeworks in classwork. Now I am moving to the third step, how to send homeworks so that your teachers can correct and sends you back. Now third step, how to send homeworks so that your teachers can correct and sends you back. I want to send my homework of 17th July. I am clicking on 17th July. Here at the bottom you are able to see your work at private comment. This is a area where the students have to click, go inside and send their homeworks. Your work at private comment is a student area where the students have to click, go inside and send their homework to their teachers. Let us click here. I am clicking on add private comment. Once I click, I am getting some options inside. Let me introduce this option, plus sign and add attachment. These are the options which are present inside. You have to concentrate on these options. I will click on add attachment. I am clicking on add attachment. Once I click add attachment, you are able to see some options inside, that is file, take photo, record video. These are the three options which are present inside. Let me introduce file to you all. File will take you to gallery. Most of us will have a habit of taking photo and saving that photo in gallery. So you can also click photo of your homework. Your photo will get saved in gallery and you can click on file. File will take you to gallery and you can upload your homework and you can send to your teacher. Let us do this practically. I am clicking on file. Now file will take me to gallery. So this is my gallery where I have clicked photos of my homework and I have saved here. So I will select my homework to send to my teacher. I am selecting my homework which I can send to my teacher. I have selected and my homework is getting attached here. Within few seconds my homework will get attached and that homework will go to my teacher. Let's wait. Within few seconds my homework will get attached here. Due to some network issue it is not getting attached. If your connection is good, it will get attached within few seconds. Now it's getting attached. Within few seconds your homework will get attached here. Let's wait. It's getting loaded. It will get attached. It's going to get attached. It's not getting loaded because of MB, I guess. Yes, here my photo got attached, what I have uploaded from gallery. So this is the first way, like how to take a photo from your gallery, like clicking on file option. File will take you to gallery and from gallery you can select your homework and you can send here. Now as I have shown you in homeworks, like teachers are giving 3 to 4 homeworks at a time. So this is the first homework you have posted here. If you want to take or send one more homework, you can again click on add attachment and I will show you the second option, that is take photo. You can click on take photo. Let's click on take photo. I am clicking on take photo. Here I have taken photo and here you are able to see wrong mark and a right mark. If you don't want to send this homework, you can click on wrong mark, your photo will go. If you want to send, you can click on right mark. I am clicking on right mark and here my photo is getting attached. Within few seconds again my second homework will get attached and I can send both the homeworks at the same time to my teacher. So by this you can send as many as homeworks you can. This is the second option I have used, that is take photo. Here my photo got attached. Now I am sending 2 homeworks to my teacher. Now if you want to send video, because sometimes your teachers are also saying you to send video, so you can again click on add attachment. You can click on this video, you can click on video, you can record video, and you can send to your teachers. So likewise you can send 2, 3, 4, how many attachments you can send. You can send 10 attachments, 15 attachments. It depends upon you, like how many attachments you want to send, and you can send to your teacher. Now here you are able to see one more option, turn in. Once you attach all your attachments, this turn in option is very important. You have to click on turn in, and you are getting 2 more options here, cancel and turn in. You have to click on turn in. Now your attachments will go to your teacher. Here your attachments have gone to your teacher. Now here you are able to see add private comment. This add private comment is also very important. You can write anything for your teacher once you send your assignments. I am writing here, ma'am, I am done with my assignments. Name Abdul Kareem. I am done. I am sending my attachment with my name, writing on the private comment, and I am clicking here. My comment will go to my teacher. So by this, here is my comment what I have given to my teacher. Ma'am, I am done with my assignments, Abdul Kareem. Now by this name your teacher will understand that this is Abdul Kareem's attachments, and teacher will mark you as homework done student. Sometimes what happens, after sending 2 homeworks, again you want to send one more homework. Sometimes you will forget to send third homework. So there is one more option here to send again, that is unsubmit. This unsubmit option will help you to send one more homework if you have forgotten to send at the first attempt. Let us click on unsubmit. I am clicking on unsubmit. Again I am getting 2 more options, cancel and unsubmit. You have to click on unsubmit. Again you will get attachment option here. Click on attachment option, take photo of your homework and send it back. Within few seconds your third homework will get attached, what you have forgotten in the first step. It will get attached within few seconds. Here, let's wait for few seconds. Within a fraction of second your photo will get attached. Due to some connection issue it is getting time. Let's wait. Once your third homework get attached, again you will get 2 more options, submit it, resubmit. You have to click on resubmit. I will show you once it get attached. It is getting attached now. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, your third homework what you have clicked photo just now, it got attached. Again you are seeing turn in option here. You have to click on turn in. Click turn in. Again you are getting option here, cancel and resubmit, and here it is written 3 attachments. Here you are able to see 3 attachments will be submitted for 17th July, and here you are able to see resubmit option also. So we have to click on resubmit. Let us click on resubmit. Once you click on resubmit, your 3 homeworks will go off 17th July. So this is how I have shown you 3 different steps to use Google app effectively as a student. Thank you so much for watching this video, and at last I would like to request all the viewers to please subscribe our channel on YouTube. Thank you.